welcome back to my channel.
First off, welcome.
Today I'm gonna be doing my famous wash and goes. You know I love my wash and go. This time I'm gonna add color. Yes, I'll be using color just on my ends. Honestly, I love the color I used last time. If you haven't seen the video, I'll post it up in the cards so you guys go check it out. Turn the old braid out into a wash and go. I did wet my hair because it's so much easier to deal with. I wet it. I already had my leave-in in, and the leave-in I used is the Camilla Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. They come in handy because I be struggling. I'm also gonna use my favorites, okay? The Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream is Curl Defining Styling Souffle, which is like really good too. It's really good. This, like, just look at it. Like, look at that. And it's like a off-brand dimming brush, but it works so good. It's like heavy duty. And I'm just gonna brush my hair, make sure it's all detangled. But yeah, like I said, it's like 11 o'clock at night. And I was just like, I should make a video because, well, I need to do my hair, so I might as well make a video. That's literally what I was thinking. I gotta go to a baby shower tomorrow. And even though it's COVID, you know, I'm a social distant and I probably won't be there long, but I do want to show my face, show support and everything. And I'm not being rough on my hair, even though it probably looks like I am. Definitely not. I am kind of heavy-handed, but I'm not hurting myself. Like no part, so I'm just gonna push my hair back. Just like the ends, because I feel like they're getting dry. Eden Body Works, and as you can see, I'm running low, but I bought another one, so I'll be okay about this much. So one thing I realized with when I cut my hair is that I don't need a lot of product. Like, well, no, I don't need to section my hair off in like smaller sections because I need the volume for my hair. Smaller sections just makes my hair like really greasy. But I'm just gonna, so you guys can see what my hair's looking like. It goes a long way with this. Like, if you put a lot, when I tell you, your hair gonna be crunchy, okay? So a little goes a long way. The texture of it is just so weird. Like you don't even have a lot in your hands. And it says do the prayer hands on the back. And make sure you get your roots too, because you want your roots to be laying down. If you have a hard time getting your roots laid down, you might need to put some gel on your roots to get them to lay down. Looking like it just feels good, so I know it looked good. My hair, look at this. Stays, so I can do this side. Do the prayer hands just to get all the product in my hair. And my hair looks really good. Also, this gel like clumps your curls too. Golden bars. And here, I'll like show you guys. You guys, that is so pretty. So I'm not worried about it's like not coming out because it came out last time. just want to make sure it gets all over my hair. On the insides too. This is gonna make it seem like I have like highlights or something. Kind of excited.
Like, I like these because, like I said, they come out with like water. So it's like, I always want to dye my hair, but I'm scared. Well, I wouldn't say scared. I just don't want like heat damage or anything, or color damage. And the fact that this comes out with like water is amazing.
That's the front and the back, and I also want to see the back to make sure I got everything. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. It's about like, I think it's like 10:30, but this is my hair. So let me tell y'all a little story, okay? Because y'all, so I sat in the dryer for about like 45 minutes. So I thought my hair was dry for the most part, except for like a little section in the back of my hair. So I woke up this morning and my hair was still wet. Really? It gets just real right here, as you guys can see. It looks weird. But as the day goes on, my hair's gonna shrink up even more. But here's what it looks like. I think it's about 98% dry. I'm not gonna say fully dry, but these are the results. Good. It gives my hair like a little ombre effect, which I really like. Like I said, it gives my hair like the color without like dyeing my hair. So that's what I like about it most. Period. Poo.